substance and supply. Spiritual mind science cannot promise something for nothing. It does not teach that you can have anything you want, no matter what it is, or that your thoughts can precipitate $1 million. It does, however, teach, and it can demonstrate that a betterment of circumstances and conditions and relationships can be brought about through spiritual mind treatment. We believe that the great intelligence of the universe cannot lack for anything, or that it can plan for its creation to lack what expresses its own being. We may be certain that the divine intends only good, only abundance for its creation, because it is the very essence of life and givingness. In spiritual mind treatment for success, for right action, and for right compensation, we work to know that divine abundance is forever flowing into everything we do. We are guided by a divine intelligence and impelled to act on this guidance. While we do not expect someone suddenly to thrust a fortune upon us, we do expect that we shall be gradually led to something better and more abundant. We should expect a greater good than we have ever experienced or than we have ever known of anyone experiencing. Divine abundance is forever manifesting in my affairs. I desire to do only that which is good and constructive, life-giving and life-expressing. Therefore, I know that I shall prosper in everything I do. I exist in limitless possibilities, and infinite good is right where I am. I believe that everything for complete self-expression is the law of my individual being. New thoughts, new ideas, new situations are forever unfolding before me. There are new opportunities for self-expression and for abundant life and love and happiness. This I expect, and this I accept. For everyone that asks, receives, and he that seeks, finds, and to him that knocks, it shall be open. Luke 11:10.